Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the MSN homepage is opening whenever you open Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure to fix this. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. It will open the MSN page. Okay, now here's what you have to do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and scroll down and select settings. Go to the On Startup tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can either check Open a New Tab page or this one, Continue where you left, whatever you like. I prefer the first one. So I'll tell you what is happening. If you select this one, open a specific page or set of pages, and MSN is selected here, then it will be a problem. You can simply remove it, or you can also choose another set of pages. So why did it appear at the first place? Because a lot of third-party applications make this the homepage in Google Chrome. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.